Good morning, my dear students and friends. My name is Nata. I'm an English teacher. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we speak about wild birds. Swan. Swan. 1. Swan is a large-sized bird with a long neck. 2. A swan looks like a duck. 3. It has a long beak, white feathers, and wings. 4. Swan usually swims on water bodies like ponds, lakes. 5. Swan cannot fly. 6. They are big-footed bird. 7. Swan eats small insects, fishes, and other small animals. 8. They are highly intelligent. 9. They can sleep standing on one leg. 10. They mate for life. Goodbye, my dear students and friends.